Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Solflare wallet. To delete your Solflare wallet, first of all, open your Solflare application on your mobile device. After you open up your Solflare wallet, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Now under My Wallets, you will be able to see your list of wallets. Go ahead and select one of the wallets you are trying to delete and swipe left on it. Tap the little pencil icon as soon as you see it and then click on Export Recovery Phrase. Tap on Show to reveal your recovery phrase and write down your recovery phrase on a piece of paper in the correct order. After you've backed up your phrases, get to this pop-up and click on Remove Wallet. Now click the Confirm button in the pop-up and you will then be able to delete a specific wallet from your Solflare wallet. Once you have your backup for the wallet, you can go ahead and import your wallet again in the future. That is how you easily delete your Solflare wallet in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.